Hello everyone, welcome to this topic of relational algebra. Relational algebra is the fundamental topic of RDBMS. It is a very simple concept and very easy to understand once you have done SQL. But you must remember that SQL is based on algebra. Algebra came first, then companies developed SQL. Okay, so you can see some of the operations like selection, projection, union, intersection, minus, Cartesian, join, rename. Some of you must be knowing these operations, some operations earlier also, because we know what is Cartesian, what is join, what is union, intersection, and the concept is same. The only thing is that these concepts came first in theory, then on the basis of these operations, practical SQL was developed. Let us begin. First of all, consider this table, student relation or a table. You must be remembering that in theory we call it as a relation and practically it is called as a table. So it has roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, Dehradun, Meerut, Haridwar. Now, projection operation. See, this is a very simple operation. This operation selects or gives or extracts vertical values of a table, or you can say as vertical columns or vertical slicing. So, for example, what is the meaning of this? For example, if you want to extract this or city, then you will do projection. And it is written as project, name of the column, and the table name in capital. So, what is the output? The output is vertical slicing of the table. Okay, vertical slicing means like this. So, projection operation gives you column of a table, or you can say it reduces the degree of a table. Degree means number of columns. So out of 3, 1 is displayed. Its equivalent SQL is select roll number from student. Okay. So you can have both type of questions in exam. You may be asked to write algebraic query or you may be asked to write SQL query or both. Okay. Similarly, let us consider this table. Now if I say that display name of the employees. So what I want to see these names. So this is what I want to do projection. So in theory what I will write project name from employees. Okay, and in practical what I will type select name from EMP. So output will come. Okay, so please understand that don't be confused with the word select. Select is a SQL keyword. Okay, next is selection. So what I want to tell you, don't confuse with select word and selection. Selection is a theoretical term, whereas select is a Oracle SQL keyword. Need not to be confused on it. Let us first of all see selection. So what does selection do? Selection gives you or displays you the tuples, rows or records of a table. So what it will do horizontal slicing. So what does it mean? Suppose if you want to see these two records who are from Meerut. So what I want to extract these two records. What is this? This is horizontal slicing. So how it is written? It is written as the symbol city equal to a condition and table or a relation. So what is the output? 4A HRD. So what you can see, the projection gave you vertical output, whereas selection gave you horizontal output. As only one student is from Haridwar. Okay. Now it is a tricky question. Display names of students who are from Meerut. Now if you go through this table, I want to see the name of those students who are from Meerut. So what I will do, first I will take out these two records. Okay, so how we will take out? You will take out through selection and then cut the names from here. So how this cutting will be done? This will be done through projection. So what is the answer? The answer is, first of all, select those records from student who are from Meerut and then apply project name on it. So what is the output? BC. Okay, and what is this SQL output? See, SQL output will be something like this. Like you want to apply this on this table, that display record of those employee who are from Goa. So what you will type, select name from employee where city equals to Goa. Okay, so this is what the answer has come. So what we have done, we have first of all done selection, extract these two records, and then we have projected these two values. Okay, so you can see Akash and Akhil. So this was the algebraic answer, and this is the SQL answer for it. Okay, now next operations are very simple. So next is union. You know very well, if there are two relations P and Q, P has ABC, Q has AD. So what does union will do? Union will display records from both of them without duplicates. So what you will see, A, B, C and D. It is something written like this, P union Q. The output is P union Q and ABCD. Next is intersect. Intersect give you only common tuples from both the relations. So as you can see in these two tables, the common is A. So intersect gives you only A. Minus. So what does minus do? What if you select minus P minus Q? So what it will do? It will delete those records from P that are present in Q and display remaining. So A is common. So what will happen? A will be subtracted from it and B and C will be displayed. So this is a very simple operation which you can do even in SQL. Okay, something like this. What you need, for example, let us see an example. Let us create a copy of this table. Create table emp2 as select star from emp. Table created. Now what you can see, there are two tables, select star from emp and select star from emp2. Now although these two tables are having similar record, but let me show you an example with this. What you can type, select star from emp union select star from emp2. So right now what will happen, since the table are exactly same, so what you will get, you will get a single table. Okay, but this is just to show you that how union works. But union will work only on same number of columns and similar data type. Similarly, what you can type, select star from emp intersect select star from emp2. Now again the same thing will come. Similarly, you can type select star from emp minus select star from emp2. No row selected because both the tables are having common. So as you can see, some of the record will not be displayed. Now if you make some changes in the table, then of course you will be able to see. Let us delete some record from emp2. Delete from emp2 where roll number, where emp code equal in 25, 26, 2, 1. Let us delete these. Okay. Now it is having less number of records. So now if you will type this, so what you will see, now you will see this out. Now why it has come, as you can see, select star from emp, this is one, and select star from emp2, this is second. And if you try to now execute this query, this will output. And if you try to execute intersect select star from emp2, so you can guess what will come. common in both. Okay, and similarly you can type, however that will give you the same output, union select star from emp2, because union gives you all the tuples. So this is how these operations are performed in SQL. The base is theory, but SQL has been developed on the basis of these operations. Cartesian you know, join you know, rename is just used to change the name of a table. You can go through some other examples also. Thank you very much.